So nearly 2 years ago, July of 2021, I did a video where I demonstrated that when you remove a connection, you're also forcing them to stop following you, which I was very upset about because I didn't think just because I didn't want to be connected with someone doesn't mean I should force them not to be following me. Now, recently, over the last, 6 months or so, LinkedIn has changed the system so that when you send an invitation to someone to connect with them, at that moment of sending the invitation, you're also following that LinkedIn member, whether they accept your invite or not. Now, what I have discovered is that when you remove a LinkedIn connection, you are not unfollowing them and you are not forcing them to unfollow you. Let me demonstrate here. So let me go to someone else's computer. Give me a moment. So you can see I'm looking at Mr. NC Wiseman right here. Now you can see that he's first level with me, and under more you'll see that he's not only following me, but he's still connected. And there's the remove connection button. Let me go back to my computer and do this action for my computer. Give me a moment. Now I'll go find Mr. NC Wiseman. There he is right there. Now you can see I'm first level with him, and if I go to more, you can see I am following him, and there's the remove connection button. Now, by the way, that is still a single click action. There is no pop-up window for confirmation. When I click on that, boom, it's done. A single click action, which I think should be have a validating window, because such a drastic move really should have an option for us to validate. But anyway, I'm no longer a connection. It's been removed. I'm going to hit the X. Now I'm going to hit refresh. Now you can see I'm second level to him, and interestingly, he only shows his profile picture to people he's connected with. But look right here under more, I'm still following him. I removed the connection, but I'm still following him. Now let's go look at my profile from his computer and his account, and let's see what it looks like. Now you can see we're second level. Again, I'm looking at it from Mr. NC Wiseman's account. He's second level to me now, or I'm second level to him. And look, he's still following me. This is what I wanted 2 years ago. Took some time, and we got it. Because again, I think just because I don't want to be connected to anyone doesn't mean that I should force them not to follow me. And additionally, I'm all about followers now. I want to build more followers. So the removal of connections does not remove your followers. Kudos, LinkedIn. Thank you for making this happen. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope these videos are helpful for you.